Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying the right hardware. Find the Globe at Home modem/router and its LAN ports labeled 14. Plug one end of a CAT5E or CAT6 LAN cable into the modem's RJ45 port. You do this now to avoid later interruptions. Once done, power the modem and wait for the Internet LED to stabilize. This confirms the WAN link. Make sure to inspect the cable for bent pins or damage. A clean physical connection prevents intermittent dropouts and speeds troubleshooting later. You now connect the other end of the LAN cable to your device's Ethernet port. A firm click indicates a good latch. On your computer or smart TV, set the network adapter to DHCP so it receives an IP automatically. This avoids manual misconfiguration. Once connected, check the link light on both ends and open network settings to confirm an IP in the 192, 168, X range or the one your router uses. If you need a fixed IP, configure it after confirming basic connectivity. Finish by testing the connection. Run a speed test and browse several sites to confirm stability and throughput versus your Globe plan. If you see no link light, try a different LAN port on the router or swap the cable. Faulty cables or ports are common culprits. Make sure to restart the modem and the connected device. Power cycling often clears stale leases and routing errors. If problems persist, note the LED patterns and call Globe support with those specifics for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.